Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to mint an NFT on Opensea. First, you'll need a digital wallet like MetaMask to interact with the blockchain. Ensure your wallet is funded with a small amount of cryptocurrency, typically Ethereum, to cover any initial transaction fees. Once your wallet is ready, navigate to Opensea and connect it. This secure connection links your wallet to the platform, allowing you to manage your digital assets and transactions seamlessly. It's a straightforward first step to begin your NFT journey. After connecting your wallet, the next step is to create a collection for your NFTs. Think of a collection as a digital gallery for your unique items. Go to the Create tab and select My Collections. Here, you can give your collection a distinctive name, write a compelling description, and choose a category. You'll also upload a logo, a featured image, and a banner to personalize its appearance, making it visually appealing to potential collectors. Now it's time to upload your actual digital asset. Within your newly created collection, click on Add New Item. You can upload various file types, including images, videos, audio, or three-dimensional models, up to 100 megabytes in size. Provide a clear name and a detailed description for your NFT. You can also add properties, levels, stats, and unlockable content to enhance its uniqueness and appeal to collectors, giving them more reasons to engage. The final step is to list your NFT for sale. After saving your item, click the Sell button. You'll have options like a fixed price sale or a timed auction. Decide on your desired price, typically in Ethereum, and set the duration for which your listing will be active. Review all the details carefully. Once confirmed, you'll complete the transaction through your connected wallet, which involves a small blockchain fee, often called a gas fee, to finalize the minting and listing process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.